Ah. Привет, друзья! Это я, Андрей, русский механик. Представляете, я сейчас в Техасе, приехал на гонки Формулы-1. Знаете, я взял билеты у Романа и Натана.
So while Nathan and I are freezing our butts off in cold and chilly Colorado, Andre the lucky dog is checking out the US Formula 1 Grand Prix, and hopefully he got the race and not just some chicks running around being, well, chicks.
Это не Формула-1, но это Кубок Феррари. Здорово, мне нравится.
Well, at least he's wearing the TFL t-shirt, and hopefully, just hopefully, he got some crashes. So here's a question for you. How does a famous Formula 1 driver leave the race? Does he walk out with all the masses? Of course not. He gets in his Ferrari FF and he drives out in style. As always, this is Roman, sort of reporting for the Fast Lane car while Andre has all of the fun checking out the US Formula 1 Grand Prix from Austin, Texas.